can write property and value. So this is the difference between this CSS2 and CSS3 here. Next, CSS origin. Sorry, CSS origin. So CSS was first proposed by, origin means birth of CSS. When CSS exactly birth, that sorry, when CSS is born. So CSS was first proposed by Hakun VM Lee. He is the father of CSS. Hakun or Hakon VM Lee. So he was introduced the CSS in October 1994. So he was introduced the CSS in 1994. Later he sell the CSS. He purchased the CSS. He hand over the CSS to the W3C organization in December 17th, 1996. Later, this W3C announced the official version of the CSS in 1996. So officially, W3C organizations will allow this 1996. So exact age of CSS is like 24 years, or yes, 24 years age of CSS. So this is a brief explanation of this CSS origin. So there you get a questions like CSS. What is the CSS origin? Origin is nothing but birth of CSS. Then you can say that Hakun VM Lee is a founder of CSS in 1994. Later, he hand over this CSS to this W3C organization in 1996. So Hakun VM Lee is working under this Tim Berners-Lee. So he is a co-worker of Tim Berners-Lee. He invented this CSS. So this is the origin of CSS. Next, we'll go for selectors. Next, we can go for this selector. Selector is nothing but styles reusability. Styles reusability. Styles reusability is nothing but a selectors. Or we can say in simple words like selector is a chain. It is a one or more simple selector. It is a chain of one or more simple selector and separated by these combinators. Separated by combinators. So combinator is nothing but selector to selector. We can add some symbols here. This is nothing but the combinators. Plus we can use the tilde operator. So these are nothing but combinators. I'll just explain in the future session. So selector is a chain of one or more simple selectors separated by the combinators is nothing but a selector. So selector is a style reusability, or you can take one more definition like selector is a chain of one or more simple selectors separated by the combinator. And coming to the selectors. So types of selectors. Types of selectors. So how many types of selectors available in CSS? So there are nearly 9 types of selectors available in CSS. One is tag selector. Tag selector. And another one is type selector. And we have generic selectors. Generic selectors. In this generic selectors, we have two available selectors like ID selector and class selector. ID and class comes under this generic selectors. ID, comma class. And next we have grouping selector. Grouping selector. And we have universal selector. Universal selector. And we have descendant selector, that is nothing but the space selector. And we have customizer selectors. And CSS3 advanced selectors will also be available. That is the attribute selectors. This is a more advanced combinator. So advanced selector. And attribute selectors. So these are the selectors available in the CSS. One is a tag selector, another one is a type selector. So tag and type both are equal. Type means which type it is, like whether you can take this directly paragraph, you can take the H1 as a selector, that you can write this one. And coming to generic selectors. So you know ID and class selector. ID is used for this unique purpose. Class is used for this multiple. And ID we can denote it with the hash, and the class we denote it with dot symbol. So grouping selector is nothing but we can group the selectors. So we can take the examples like if you want to apply the same color for this similar headings, different headings, H3, then you can directly write this color name, write the property and value like this. You can use this grouping selector. And universal selector, this is a universal selector, so which will apply for all the elements that we can use. It will apply whole document. So we can use the star. Star is a universal selector. So in that we can write margins and padding, the universal selector. And space selector, if we want to have like in order to select the child element, we can use this one, like div. In order to select the paragraph, div space p, then you can write this some styles here. And customized selector. So customized selector means, suppose I just created one tag here, menu tag. So I created this menu tag. And menu close. And here we can write welcome to selector, or welcome. I just write the welcome there. So here you can directly write menu as a selector, and you can write this property and value, property name, value. So I'll just explain this